Hello, my name is Sunwoo and I'm from year 12. So one strategy that I found very useful was mind map. So every revision session, I'll always start drawing a mind map on my whiteboard. That really helped me because I would always write in different colors, which meant that I could distinguish which ones I knew and which ones I didn't. So it was really helpful, especially for science, because there's a lot of things you have to remember. And it was really easy for me to pinpoint which ones I had to work on. I think one challenge that I faced was, especially during exam seasons, whether it was the mocks or the actual exam period was quite long. And it's hard to stay focused throughout the whole period. But what really helped me was taking regular breaks in between my revision so that I could actually focus efficiently in the revision, but also have my breaks so that I don't burn out. The teachers were always welcoming and approachable, which made it a lot easier for me to ask questions, whether it was just general advice or just a specific question about a certain topic. And my friends also played a big role because I knew that we were all in this together and we were all facing IGCSE for the first time. So it was a big reassurance because of the fact that I wasn't the only one facing the challenges. Because IGCSE is the first official exam. So I think the whole journey was really useful because I got to know a bit more about myself, like which strategy is the best for me and when I perform at my best. So I think that's really useful because in IB, there's a lot of topics you have to study for. So that will help me to efficiently study and quickly. Because IGCSE has a lot of subjects. So that means there's a lot of deadlines, a lot of homeworks you have to do. And I think that's really important for IB because there's IAs and a lot more than IGCSE. So handling that, juggling with all the deadlines and homeworks will be very useful for IB and university. My biggest advice would be to just believe in yourself, even when things start to feel uncertain. Because IGCSE may seem very intimidating for younger students because it's a new curriculum. But if you believe in yourself and become confident towards your learning, you will grow as a person. And progress isn't always linear, and that's okay. Just keep going and you'll eventually reach the end.